Okay, so now comes to the task of stringing up all these 3 columns into one piece of data, which is the IC. Now, let's try to do it the regular way. Now, logically, you would want to take this, comma, a dash, right? And then take this guy in. Oh, one piece. And you scroll it all the way down. Now you will notice quickly that something isn't too right. First, this 37450 is the actual representation, the integer representation for a date. This is the properly formatted one. How do we, while utilizing this S3, which is referring to S3, this date over here, while copying the actual integer, we want to implement the formatting as well. How do we do that? Otherwise, it is inconsistent, right? Because if you see over here, escape, this is 2002-0713. This is the integer representation of this date. How do we convert it? Well, let's come over here and turn this, instead of just copying the direct value, let's try to implement a text. xt implement text. Okay, what is the formatting that we would like to implement? Let's try D, sorry, not D, it's Y, MMDD. Okay, imagine this is one piece. Okay, one piece. Okay, at least we got one column right. Next, we need to apply for this also. Try to convert this into a text. Okay, wrap this around in a format. And the format that we want to implement is 0#, right? Why? So that we got the 0, 3 instead of just single digit of 3. Okay, let's try the last one. I think the last one we don't need to do anything because yeah, all of these are 4 digits anyways. So that's done. Let's autofill all the way down, and there you go. Right. Perfect. Okay, thank you.